Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews and updates. Today, we are taking a closer look at a car that redefines electric performance, the Porsche Taycan. Combining Porsche's legendary driving dynamics with futuristic electric technology, the Taycan is a true game-changer. Let's explore what the 2025 Porsche Taycan offers for Indian buyers and why it's a dream car for enthusiasts and EV lovers alike. Body. Exterior design. The Porsche Taycan is a masterpiece of design, blending futuristic elements with Porsche's iconic styling. The sleek front features matrix-LED headlights with Porsche's signature 4-point dials, giving it a sharp and dynamic look. Its coupe-like silhouette, low stance, and smooth body lines enhance its aerodynamic efficiency while exuding elegance. The bold 21-inch alloy wheels, flush door handles, and a panoramic glass roof add a touch of modern luxury. At the rear, the Taycan boasts a full-width LED light bar with Porsche badging, emphasizing its sporty character. With its sleek aesthetics and aerodynamic design, the Porsche Taycan is built to turn heads on Indian roads. Safety and build quality. The Porsche Taycan is designed with safety and durability in mind, offering advanced features to protect its passengers. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and electronic stability control, escape. Advanced driver assistance features, ADAS, include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, park assist with surround view camera, collision warning and brake assist. The Taycan's aluminum-intensive body structure provides excellent crash protection while keeping the car lightweight. With its state-of-the-art safety features, the Porsche Taycan offers peace of mind for every journey. Price and variants. The 2025 Porsche Taycan is available in multiple variants, catering to different preferences and performance needs. The base Taycan RWD starts at approximately 1.53 Indian rupees crore, ex-showroom, offering a great entry point to Porsche's EV lineup. The Taycan 4S, priced at 1.89 Indian rupees crore, balances performance and luxury. The Taycan Turbo S, the flagship model, is priced at 2.34 Indian rupees crore, delivering unparalleled electric performance. With its luxury pricing, the Taycan is a true investment for those seeking cutting-edge performance and exclusivity. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Porsche Taycan? With its stunning design, lightning-fast performance, advanced technology, and premium features, it's a car that redefines the electric vehicle experience. Whether you're an enthusiast seeking thrills or a tech-savvy buyer looking for innovation, the Taycan delivers it all. Let us know in the comments if the Porsche Taycan is your dream car, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.